Gentlemen, what a day to be trading. Wow, it's the global melt up. Look at this. South Africa down 3.7, Dow Jones 2.7, US Tech, which is the Nasdaq, down 3%. I'm pretty sure we've entered bear market if this doesn't reverse after pre-market. FTSE down 4%, Germany 4.5. And everything is looking really bad, and that's because China really just destroyed the US with a 3 point something tariff. Anyways, with that being said, my loss is your gain because I'm big on the US market with 7 figures. So meanwhile, I'm not gonna sell anything. However, I am gonna stay busy and I'm gonna scalp this market. So I'm hitting this with a sell position right here. 10 contracts sell. And we're open it this time because of this volatility. And when you have volatility like this, it's literally make or break kind of trading, guys. So I hit it with a sell because it's kind of trying to push. I can get 10 points from this trade. And if I zoom in to 1 minute maybe or 2 minutes, you can see this candle. It could dip a little bit and give me $100, and there it is, 115. Okay, now I need to reduce because it's a little tricky. My account size, by the way, guys, is around 3,000 something. So, because I pulled some money out. Now that we're selling off further, we're going with the 1 hourly time frame. And we're going with that 1 month. The 1 month shows us we're heading for this level of support. So if we're looking here, yeah, we're right on support level now, guys, with this candle. So what I can do is I can double down now and go long. So here's 5 contracts open, another 5. We're on the monthly candle, by the way, or the monthly support. So I just looked at it by looking to the left-hand side. So today it's a pretty tricky one, guys, because this kind of volatility you get once in a blue moon, right? And it's beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see. A lot of swing traders now are kind of getting shook by this market, but to us, it's to us this volatility gives us other opportunities. So here it goes, another 100, guys. I'm going to sell, and I mean, I can wait for one more push to the upside. So I sold one. Now I'm up at 150 for this trading session so far, and I can wait. I can wait for a few more. I still have my 5 contracts open. Okay, so let's see. This candle should be promising. So I'm actually going to open 5 contracts on this candle. And what I want to see is a push to this line at least, and I will close. So I've got 10 contracts. I'm up 150 for this session so far. I could use my stop losses here, and I should actually put it, because it's a very volatile day. Without a stop loss, you're kind of playing with fire. So I want to put my stop here. I want to put 20 points, and I can't even put it because the market is just dipping. So today's lesson is what happens when you F around without a stop loss. You end up with a higher unrealized loss than calculated, and now you're praying and even adding more. Okay, here's $60, beautiful on that reversal. I ended up doubling down, and here is another $40 on that reversal, and here is another, wait a minute, $35. All right, that's over $200 made for this session, guys. I'm scared of if I keep trading because of the videos running, I'm gonna make some mistakes. I don't want to do it while the video's running. However, we are going to see this kind of level hit, and that's where I'll put another sell position, or here actually, matter of fact, right here. Boom, done. Open 5, and I'm going to add another 5. That's 10 contracts more open, and that's because of the wick. Oh, beautiful, 200, just like that, guys. Now I have to buy it back. Boom. Buy it back. Boom. That is over $400 made, guys, on this account so far. And I'll show you this before the video ends. I'll show you the trades. But yeah, the next push with this specific candle on 10 minutes, it should be around this or to this level. So that should give us a buy opportunity right now. Now you say, well, Zed, you're not trading this from actual levels. Well, it's not levels because this candle doesn't need a level. I already showed you that we're on a monthly. So I'm going to go ahead here with another. So that's 10 contracts. So after the first resistance tested, then the next one becomes the target, which is just over this wick. Okay. So now we wait. This is a buy position now. And again, I should have opened with a stop loss because it is a fallen knife, or maybe it's a fallen knife. We don't know yet. So I'm putting 20 points. 20-point stop. I can afford to go with a little bit more volatility. Okay, so we're just waiting for this candle to push even back to the resistance line. I would take it, no problem. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. But if we do, that will be $200 loss. So whenever this gets to 200, then just know I'm down 200 rather than the 400 I was up a minute ago. No, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful. Buy, sell 5. Amazing. So I lowered it now to only 5 contract. Okay. One more. Okay, I'm going to take $32. Beautiful. Let's look at transaction history. Can we see, I don't know if you can see you can't see the actual numbers, but that's going to be the thumbnail. That's going to be the thumbnail of this video, okay? The actual scalping returns. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you for watching. As always, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love as always. And there's some exciting news coming in the next couple of days, so make sure you're excited and paying attention to my videos. Bye-bye.